Pro again with this beautiful property. This is a kind of a bittersweet, not bittersweet, it's just a sad wash. It's a guy we washed before, and he don't live too far from the house, and seen me, I don't know, a couple weeks ago. Said, Mr. Eddie, I'm gonna come over and clean you up. You know, I don't charge. I usually, last time I charged just for the chemical, but I'm not charging this time. Yeah, he passed away Friday, so it's too bad, man. Yeah, I'm still trying to comprehend that, you know. Not him passing, him, you know, him reaching or waving to me one day and saying, hey, look, you know, I've just been busy on the schedule, and goes to show you, don't stop what you're doing and take that time. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and hit it. Go ahead and hit all this, or to get the property protection. Say our prayers, our Father, and let me get some masking tape. You see the plugs? They sealed really good. He put silicone on them. He was pretty good about that, but they got them, you know, about every 12 foot, 15 foot. I went ahead and opened the covers, put red tape on it, and put red tape around it, so they sealed really good. So I'm gonna go and do that and put some other property protection. Catch up. Peace. It's got the hose pulled. I'm solo today, by the way. Got double feed just because I'm gonna start through here, back corner, work my way out, so when I pull up the hose, I can just yank it up. I'll probably hit that walkway. I don't know about the driveway. Anyway, we'll catch up. I may hit that. I don't know. We'll see. All right, peace. I put a surface clean the sidewalk, hitting this to roll. Got it done. Just doing a little post treat with the AR because that's all I got. And of course, we got 12-volt blues over here. I mean, I'm over the 12 volt. I got some new stuff coming. Be on the lookout. Just post treating here. Just a 3%. Little 3%, see that heavy stuff right there. Let's come over here and work our way out. Yeah, Mr. Eddie, man. That's his name, so say some prayers if y'all don't mind. Miss Darlene, his wife. She's here by herself, so if she needs anything like cutting the grass or anything, we'll be more than happy to help her out. There you go. This AR is nice for post treating these big surfaces. I just didn't build the AR for that, you know. I want my AR to last 2-3 seasons. One season it. We get one season out of it, I've done good. So after this, we'll wash the house, and I wanted to do this first because this was a bad driveway. And no, she don't have Google, so I don't think she has Google. I would bet money she don't have Google. And I got this on about 100 PSI maybe. Again, you don't need a whole bunch of flow when you're doing this. Looking good. We'll see if this does enough to clean it up. Like those areas. I'll hit this area. It's a lot better than what it was, so. But you know, even if you're doing something for free, don't have to do it, you know. Do it like you're getting paid. So okay, I got this little section to do in this little walkway, and we'll be out of here. Well, no, I gotta wash the house, but out of the surface flat work. I'm not the biggest fan of flat work, but you know, you get something. You always got things building up. And again, I'm not starting on this side. This is where I'm gonna end, so I'm gonna let that post tree dry. Check it out. Smells like a swimming pool in here already. Yeah, so the 12 volt, man, this year we probably went through 4 of them. This year. And I know I'm buying the Everflows, but I mean, before the Everflow, I didn't have no problems with, you know. I even bought a Remco. That's not including the Remco. I bought a Remco from Tractor Supply. It lasted all about a month. Then the head started splitting. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the soap off. I should have did that already, but I didn't. My fault. Looks real good. Maybe I could just stay some on this heavy stuff. It's overcast here, so the sun will bake this in. And just be careful where you walk, man. You're walking on 3-6% and you go walking on the customer's property. That's just a oh yeah, look, it already changed. Yes, indeedy. That's what we're talking about, baby. So we should be about clear here. So I'm gonna walk right here. Clean out my gun, and then I'm gonna go set the meter and valve and walk around the house, hit it, and roll out. All right, catch up. Peace. All right, guys. I already hit the back. I thought I was gonna put the camera on, but I got sidetracked with working. So anyway, we just wetting this brick down. I'm gonna hit this brick, and I'm gonna hit this one side of the front of the building. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit soap on here in a second. I'm just kind of working around on plugs, even though I got them taped. It's okay. Life is good. Wet your roof. Turn my soap on. Got a window open, so we got to be cognizant of that. The camera there. See, the door's kind of funky. Wet your wood here. Your little landing. Waiting on soap. You know, whether this helps her if she wants to move, sell the house, or whatever the case may be, it does something good. And you know, I need to give back a little bit more. There we go, we got soap. It's a beautiful property. Just a house wash mix on this metal. Let's get in the shade and back it up. I like working backwards. I mean, the brick really isn't that bad, so, and these gutters are toast. But I put a layer on the brick close to the plugs. Windows are pretty bad. See the green. Of course, it's vinyl siding. We'll back it up a little bit. I got my hose guy today. Okay, it's a wrap. See what we got over here. Yeah, I'm not gonna spray too much over here. All that. I know some guys do it. I'm a little sketch. We had too many incidents. All right, soap off. Here we got that Eve. Here we got that Eve. The screen's good and the window's good. Let's see how the front of our building looks. Whoa. There's the coat on there. Call that a wrap. We'll let that sit down and marinate for a minute. I may even go wash the side of the house. Trying to get that water. Make sure we are. There we are. There we go. We'll get the water. We'll go ahead and rinse this off real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna go hit the side of the house. Last side here. So we're getting it done. Solo. And property protection. I wish my VP was here. He would fire me. I missed the plug. So Tony, if you're watching this, or will watch it, my fault. Doing the last side here. You can see the driveway, man. That thing's popping. Anyway, hit that swing too for him. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and soap this and rinse it. I'll catch up. Let me do a wrap up because I'm gonna get wet here. All right, peace. I ain't getting any more footage. The neighbors came out and anyway, going ahead and drain it. I started draining it way over here. We almost saw a little situation there. What else? AR did well, performed well, rinsed it out every job. After every job, we rinse it out, rinse the three-way, rinse everything. Golden there. I do get questions about this proportioner system. I built this. I got a video on it, so you can go. Finding parts is tough. I thought about coming up with a system for you guys, but no, I can't. I don't have time. But yeah, it's good. Everything's good. Now we got to figure out. Gonna make some changes to the trailer with that new system coming in, so we'll get that set up pretty good, pretty quick here. But it's all good, all good. And I'll drop some photos of the before and after of the driveway right about now. So, as you can tell, that 3% post treat helped a lot on those lines. So we're golden goose. And been cleaning up a little bit here, trying to get things situated. See here, got this cleaned up, walkable, kind of nice area. Got the fresh 100 gallons of SH. So we're golden there. Just got a few more things to do. I'm gonna do that in here in a minute. Go ahead and can't close this up. So we're golden. All right, guys. Please like, sub, call, comment. Peace.